Welcome to the Best Pick. The Best PC Tools is probably one of the most essential software suites for anyone looking to optimize their computer's performance and security. With the ever-increasing threats of malware, viruses, and system slowdowns, having a reliable set of tools is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. PC Tools offers a comprehensive solution, providing users with everything they need to keep their computers running smoothly and safely, making it a must-have for both novice and experienced users. Number 5. ORIA 61-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This 61-in-1 set is a professional hand tool designed for repairing various electronics. It's perfect for laptops, phones, game consoles, and more. This set has everything you need to get the job done. The set includes a variety of screwdriver bits made from chrome vanadium steel. ORIA carefully selected these bits to meet all your needs. You'll find the right bit for almost any task. A flexible shaft is included, making it ideal for stereo work and other large electronics. It's especially useful when screws are not easily accessible on the surface. This feature adds extra versatility. The handle is unique and non-slip, made from a single piece of aluminum and covered with silica gel. It also features a ball bearing mounted swivel top for easier operation. This design ensures comfort and control. These professional hardware tools are portable, lightweight, and compact. The design makes it easy to carry around. It's the perfect kit for on-the-go repairs. Please note that the logo on the screwdriver handle may vary between the old and new versions. However, the performance of both versions is exactly the same. You can expect the same high quality. What we like. This set is a great choice if you need a comprehensive set for electronics repair. It includes a variety of specialty bits to tackle different types of screws. If you are looking for a portable and versatile solution for repairing small electronics, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit comes in a sturdy blue case, which is very durable and protects the contents inside. The ORIA Precision Screwdriver Kit includes 56 bits that are made of high-quality chrome vanadium steel, which is known for its durability and strength. One of the features that sets this screwdriver kit apart from others is the flexible shaft and extension rod. Number 4. XOOL 200-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. This is the XOOL 200-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. It's packed with everything you need for electronics repair. It includes a variety of tools to tackle almost any job. Inside, you'll find 164 different bits, 2 handles, tweezers, and more. This kit is designed for phones, laptops, PCs, and various other electronics. It has all the tools you need. The bits are made from high-quality CRV steel, ensuring durability. They're designed to withstand repeated use. The tips are stable and won't strip easily. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, even during extended use. The kit also includes multiple bits of the most frequently used sizes, saving you money on replacements. It includes an extension rod and a flexible shaft. These are perfect for reaching screws in hard-to-access places. You can easily open up devices without any hassle. The kit comes with an Oxford cloth bag for easy storage and portability. It keeps all the tools organized and protected. It's perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. What we like. This kit truly offers everything you need for electronics repair, with 164 bits and various accessories. The inclusion of a flexible shaft makes it easier to access screws in tight spaces. If you often find yourself working on electronics with hard-to-reach screws, this kit's flexible shaft will be a lifesaver. What people say. This kit has all of the bits I need, and more, to do work on laptops and phones too, it seems. I used one of the kits to tear apart my laptop and had no issues with any of the tools I needed. Each item performed as I expected and in some cases, even better. Number 3. Crescent CTK 180, 180-piece Professional Tool Set. Introducing the Crescent CTK 180, a professional tool set designed for various applications. This set is carefully curated to meet the needs of both industrial and consumer users. This set features a newly designed 72T quick-release ratchet. It provides efficient and easy operation, making your work more convenient. The set includes combination wrenches with narrow heads, adjustable wrenches, pliers, and low-profile quick-release ratchets. These tools provide incredible access in tight spaces. The co-molded bit driver and screwdriver handles feature an ergonomic grip. This design enhances performance and provides a comfortable user experience. It includes shallow and deep SAE metric 6-point sockets with stamped size markings. This feature ensures easy socket identification, saving you time and effort. The 6-inch adjustable wrench features a hex jaw design. This design reduces slippage by gripping fasteners tightly, improving your work efficiency. What we like. This tool set is designed for a wide range of applications. The ergonomic grip and quick-release ratchet make it comfortable and efficient to use. If you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast who needs a reliable and versatile tool set for various mechanical tasks, this is a great option. What people say. The software is easy to install and use. It has a user-friendly interface. The program is very effective at removing malware. Number 2. STREBITO 142-piece precision screwdriver set. This precision screwdriver set comes with 120 bits, ready for any repair job. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, covering a wide range of devices. The kit includes 22 accessories like a magnetizer, magnetic mat, and ESD tweezers. These tools make repairs easier and more efficient, helping you tackle any project. The screwdriver features a comfortable grip and a swivel top. The magnetic bit holder and flexible extension shaft make it easy to handle tiny screws in tight spaces. The set includes a magnetic project mat to keep screws organized and a magnetizer-demagnetizer tool. These features save time and prevent lost parts. The bits are stored in a holder, and the tools are in a durable Oxford bag. The bag is easy to carry and keeps everything organized, whether you're at home or on the go. The bits are made of 60 HRC chromium vanadium steel for long-lasting use. This computer tool kit is backed by a lifetime warranty, ensuring quality and customer satisfaction. What we like. This set stands out with its 120 bits and 22 accessories, making it suitable for a wide range of repairs. The magnetic project mat and magnetizer are great additions to keep your work organized. If you like to keep your workspace tidy and efficient while repairing electronics, this set's magnetic features and organized storage will be perfect for you. What people say. Everything is organized really neatly. The handle feels solid, not flimsy, and the magnetism on the bit holder is strong enough to actually grab tiny screws without dropping them. Every single bit I needed was in the kit. Number 1. DEWALT DWMT81534 Mechanics Tool Set. This tool set helps prevent rounding of fasteners with sockets featuring direct torque technology. It ensures a secure grip and efficient performance, making your work easier and more precise. The 72 tooth count ratchets provide a 5-degree arc swing. This design allows for optimal control, even when working in confined areas, enhancing your efficiency. Work comfortably on long days with the anti-slip driver handle. It's designed to provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing fatigue and improving your overall experience. Protect your tools in tough conditions with the durable case featuring metal latches. This ensures the tools are well protected, extending their lifespan and providing peace of mind. Take on tough job sites with a full polish chrome finish. The finish not only enhances the tool's appearance but also provides excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring durability. Quickly find the right tool for the job with hand-stamped markings. This feature allows for easy identification, saving you time and improving your workflow. The set includes 45, 1-4 drive tools, 50, 3-8 drive tools, 20, 1-2 drive tools, 28, hex keys, 10, combination wrenches, 19, specialty tools, and 33 bits. It has everything you need to tackle a wide range of tasks. What we like. This set is built for durability and ease of use. The direct torque technology helps prevent rounding of fasteners, and the 72 tooth ratchets provide optimal control. If you are looking for a reliable and durable tool set for automotive or mechanical work, this set's robust design and features will meet your needs. What people say. It has a very user-friendly interface. The program is very easy to use and navigate. It is a great product that works very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.